Okay guys, so we're looking here at ES futures of course, and we just took a long trade here. Present price is 68.49.50, and I'm going to walk you through this live trade. Now, this is the overnight session. It's important to note most traders don't even look, okay, at this session. And that's one of the reasons why they actually lose. Okay? They treat every day, the same session, the same, and it's really a form of symmetrical trading. They're just forcing trades just because the market's open. With the Quantara protocol, we don't do that. We trade at what we call an asymmetrical approach, and that's only when the environment is doing something worth paying for. Okay? So we're going to set this up very quickly. On the screen here, you're seeing ES here at 68.48.50. So we're down right now about $250. Okay. Now we're in what's called the VED environment, or Volatility Expansion day, and that is vital. So we'll pause it here really quickly, and we'll be right back. Alright, so as I was saying, we're in a volatility expansion day. We've had our liquidity sweep, or what we call our ICP, or institutional collection pattern. Structure has shifted just from shifting to actually driving the market. So right now we're up nothing, maybe $160, $200. Okay, but the structure has shifted. So we'll pause it for a moment and we'll be right back. Okay, so we now have price here at 68.55. We'll get a timestamp in a moment. So as the structure shifted now, and so most futures traders operate like this. First of all, we get price 68.56. They sit down every day, the same time every day. They feel obligated to take a trade. They take every wiggle seriously, and they treat Monday the same as an FOMC Wednesday day. We are here, I am here right now, because at Quantara we flip it on its head. Okay, let's get a timestamp. Yeah, the time is 2:19, Tuesday, December 16th, timeanddate.com, which we have no affiliation. So, we've got, as you see here, price had fallen back, but we now have it here at 68.59, putting us up about $1,300 or so. Okay. Wow, look at that. Did you see that? Alright, we're at 68.64.75. So we, again, as I was saying, we flipped it on its head, that we don't care what day it is. What we care is the day of VED. Do we have real ICP? Even better if it's algo derived. Do we have directional framework? Time is now 2:40 a.m. and our TVM, our trend velocity measure, is in alignment. If those conditions aren't there, we don't trade. So what you're watching now is the payoff from a lot of days, a lot of time where we don't do anything. Price is now at 68.66.25, up 24.87. Okay, so price has swept the lows. There was our ICP, and I think we're going to look to get out of this trade perhaps, but yeah. So the job is simple. Once we get ICP, alright, we've got price now at 68.69. Once we've got ICP, structure, TVM in alignment, we're looking for a clean, low stress entry. And in Quantara, the protocol, that's usually, it could be what's called a VPE. Now, the stop is going to be below that low of the ICP. That puts us up, by the way, 23, about almost 20. 2,900, and you're seeing this live. Most traders, now I have over, I'm going to say at least 40,000 hours over the last 18 years, excuse me, making every mistake in the book. So we're going to look to take this off the table, and now here's the key. On a VED like this, we're not interested in one-to-one trades. So if we're risking, say, 5 points, it has to be because we see structure potential for at least 15, 20 points. So we got out of this position, and that's about 23:27, and the time is 2:50 a.m. Okay, so there you have it, guys. If you'd like to know more, of course, go to our site, championonlinetrading.com.